Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect JBL Live headphones to laptop. Quick fix step by step clearly. Make sure your JBL Live headphones are fully charged. Turn on your laptop. Enable Bluetooth on your laptop by going to the settings menu. Locate the Bluetooth settings option. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. On your JBL Live headphones, press and hold the power button until you hear a voice prompt. This indicates that the headphones are in pairing mode. Go back to your laptop and click on Add Bluetooth or other device. Select the option for Bluetooth from the list that appears. Your laptop will begin scanning for nearby devices. Look for your JBL Live headphones in the list of available devices. Once you see them, click on their name to initiate the pairing process. Wait for your laptop to establish a connection with the headphones. You should hear a confirmation sound in your headphones. Check the audio settings on your laptop to ensure the headphones are set as the default playback device. Play some audio to verify that the connection is successful. If you hear sound, you're all set to enjoy your music or calls. If the connection fails, turn off Bluetooth on your laptop and toggle it back on. Repeat the pairing steps if necessary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.